Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher at Grand Lake MarineMax. Today we are on the 2024 Aviara 36. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features this boat has to offer. So as you can see right now, we have a huge swim platform back here. And what's nice about this is you have a submersible swim step right below, so you can still save all this nice walking space up here on your aft deck. As you can see, you have a great patented seating option by Aviara as well. You have your ratcheting seat backs here in the front, and you have some awesome bar stools with foot space here right behind. This is great for when you're tying up and you have a lot of people on the boat. Plenty of seats for everyone. As you can see, you have a ton of cup holders for all your drinks. And making our way into the cockpit, you got fender storage here, which is great for saving your under seat storage here in your cockpit. Here on your starboard side, you got a cooler, an electric grill, and up here towards the helm you have a nice sink as well as a wine storage, which is an awesome feature on this Aviara. You got two sinks right below, and one of my favorite features is this pull-out cooler, so you don't have to bring any additional coolers and take up any space in your cockpit walking space. You have a table mount here, plenty of wraparound seating. You got an L-shaped seating. Got sculpted seats that's really going to keep you secure while you're underway. Making our way up here towards the helm, you got three different screens. Simrad for all your navigation, and all of your lighting and music functions are going to be here on this screen. As you can see, you have a deluxe captain's chair here, seating for two with thigh bolsters, so you get a great view over the front of this boat while you're underway. And here on your port side, you got an interchangeable seat that'll give you rear facing as well as forward facing, and a thigh bolster that'll give you a nice view over the front as well. Take a look below. You have a very spacious cabin with a table mount. Gonna give you plenty of seating. You got a flat screen TV down there, microwave, and a toilet, which is all gonna give you great options to extend your day out on the water. And making our way to the bow of this boat, you're going to see at the moment this is equipped with a filler cushion here for your bow. It's going to give you a nice playpen style bow here, plenty of seating, tons of lounge area, and up there at your front you're going to have your windlass anchor and your storage for your chain and rope. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax today. Thank you.